Welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video, we'll learn how we can prepare a mark sheet which calculate 20 from different exam marks like from unit test 20%, from half yearly 30%, and half annual examination 50%, and give you the overall marks at last. So first we'll open Google Sheet, and when we'll create a blank spreadsheet, it will look like this. At top we can change the name. We can give the name as result sheet, and at bottom also, that's sheet 1, we can rename it and give some other name, that in place of sheet result. Now while we'll create the sheet, we'll keep the first row as blank because here we are going to write the school name or whatever, and in second row we will take two rows together in one column and merge it, and for second one also we'll take two row and we'll merge it. So in the first one we'll write roll number, and second one we will write name, and third one here we'll write unit test out of 100, half yearly, annual, then UT 20%, half yearly 30%, annual 50%, and at last we'll have grand total, or we'll just simply can write total. And at top row we'll merge this line and tap on merge, and here we'll going to write the subject name. Suppose the subject is English, show English, and put the alignment as center. We can keep bold also this one. Now we'll keep the roll number column little smaller, just we can double click it, and name column little large, and here these two we can keep in center align. So from here we can take center. Now we'll put borders. Suppose I am taking on till row 20. After that we'll take all borders. So this came. At top two rows we'll give some another background color so that it look little bit different. We can give yellow. Now we'll write here roll numbers 1, 2. After writing 1 and 2, we'll select and we'll click on the corner of 2 and drag it till bottom, so the numbers will come automatically. And here we are going to write some names. I'm just writing some random names. So there are some names. Now let's see how we'll do the calculation. First, make the column little smaller. Unit is 100%. Just you can double click this way and you can make the column smaller. Half yearly we need little bigger, or you can take this one, it will be easy one. You select all the columns till total, from unit is 100 till total, and according to you adjust the size. Suppose this much is enough. Now we are going to write some marks. Suppose this student got in unit test out of 100 85, and half yearly he got 78, and annual got 82. Now we have to find out the percentage first. 20%, 30% and 50%. For 20% we'll do what? We'll let the formula is equal. Let's zoom little bit so that you can see more clearly. We'll write equal, then we'll select the unit test mark, then multiply into 0.2 and enter. So he will get 17 mark out of 85. Now for half yearly, equal, we will take half yearly marks into 0.3. Now we have to do annual, equal annual mark into 0.5. 50% means 0.5. Now you see here there are some rounding marks. We don't require round. Here are some decimal numbers, but normally in mark sheet we don't see any decimal numbers, so we have to round up the numbers. For that we'll select these three numbers from the formula, and from here decrease decimal, we'll click in here. Now there is no decimal numbers. Now we'll have to find a total, so we'll write equal unit is 17 plus half yearly 123 plus 41, 81. Now is it correct? 81 is correct, but while you are doing rounding off, there might be some problem. Suppose if I do here 86 or 87, so see here 17, 23 and 41, the total is wrong. 17 plus 23 plus 41, it should be 81, but it came 82. This because this unit is, let's increase the decimal, unit is 17.4 and half yearly 23.4. so this 0.4 and 0.4, it's became one extra mark. So this will be quite confusing one. That's why what we are going to do, we are directly not writing the number, we'll add the values. In this formula, instead of the real numbers, we'll add the values. So first equal, then we'll write value, and in bracket we'll select this 20% mark, bracket close, again plus, again value, second number, bracket close, again plus, again value, bracket, the third number, and bracket close. Now you see, now it's came 81 only, so the calculation is correct. And now we can do one thing, we can select these formulas from these 4 columns, and you can drag it till bottom to copy the formula. Suppose till Rohit I am copying the formula. So at present you will get 000 because I have not entered any numbers. Now while you enter any number in second column, suppose it's 75, 78, 72. So this numbers calculated automatically. This way you can easily create a mark sheet. Here I have just created one subject. You can copy paste this one to create another subjects. Now let's see, this total marks should always keep as bold, and to make it look different than others, you can also put red colors, or you can put some other colors also, not only red. You can put blue colors. Oh, this is background, keep it white only. Text color you can put blue, or some other color you can put, it's according to you. Now we have to apply one conditional operator, means whoever will fail, that student marks should come in red color. For that you select the numbers, only the totals. Now you go to insert, not format, conditional formatting. Here you select is less than equal to, then value write 30 or whatever pass mark in your school. Then background color you put white only, keep it bold, underline, and text color you can keep red. Done. Now let's make one student fail. Suppose he got 23, 25, 21. So this 24 automatically came in red color, this one because of this conditional formatting. Now here just we have added one subjects. To add another subject, you can select this columns, copy it, go to number J, paste it. So this came, this way you can do it. And even you can change here subject name. Suppose English, then we have maths. After that again on Q you paste it. Maths, then suppose it's science. Again paste it. Now suppose social. And again paste it. The last one columns are too big, let's do it again. English, then maths. Then science. And this, to make the column little smaller, we can select this way, and we can do this way also. So you are selecting till here, and we can make it small. So this way we can do it. After science we can add social also. So same way we can make it little smaller. After that we can take one more, Hindi. Here we can add one more, we can name it as Hindi. Now we need 3 more columns to find out the result, percentage and total percentage and result. For that we'll select on AK and insert column, one more insert column, and one more. Now these 3 columns will put borders. For that we'll select it and click on this all borders. So done. Now we'll have to merge these columns. First column will merge it, second column also will do this way, and third column. So here we are going to write grand total percentage and result. Now these 3 alignment will put as center. Now for grand total we'll write the formula as equal and we'll select all the total numbers. Let's make the spreadsheet little smaller. So we'll make it 100% from 150%. Okay, now we are going to total equal. First we'll go to the first subject total. So it's automatically selected. Oh, it's that very good. So this is the total mark. Now this total mark we can put some another color so that it look different. We can take purple and we'll drag the formula to find out the total of other students. Now for percentage, as we have 5 students, so we will write equal, we'll select total, divide 5. So this came automatically. If you want to copy the formula, you can just tap on tick sign. Now result, we can use conditional formatting, equal not conditional, we'll use if condition. If, then we'll select the total percentage greater than 30, or we can write greater than equal to 30, then comma within double quotation pass, again comma within double quotation fail. So this way we can decide the pass and fail also here. So you see here, let's zoom it, then you will see the result nicely. The student who got 81% is pass, and the student who got 74 pass and who got 24, it's treated as fail. So this way we can create a fully automated result sheet in Google Sheet, or even you can do it the same thing in MS Excel also, but I will suggest you to do in Google Sheets because the marks entry part can be done by different teachers at the same time, so the work can be done very easily. And most of the schools, I think, follow this formula to find out the overall performance of the year. So this way you can easily calculate the students marks, and if you enter the marks correctly, then you no need to tally the marks again, that whether calculation is correct or not. So easily you can do this all the calculations, and it is time saving also. Whatever work you are doing in 2-3 days, just in 1 or 2 hours you can complete it. And if you need the format, I can give you in I can give you through email or through comment section. So if you need this template, you can ask me in comment sections. And in this sheet I didn't wrote the school name or the name of the sheet, so for that I have kept one line empty. This one, there we can write, here we can write that, make it bold, result sheet of ABC school. (2022). So this way you can add the title also. This way you can easily create one mark sheet which can calculate the marks and give the percentage also automatically, and even it do round off. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.